Today, I will be meticulously dissecting 9 artificial intelligence, AI, side ventures that require no initial financial investment. These ventures have the potential to yield daily returns ranging from hundreds to thousands of dollars. I speak from personal experience, having undertaken or currently engaged in many of these pursuits myself. We will commence with the most accessible AI side ventures, gradually progressing towards those that are more challenging but correspondingly offer higher earnings. Initiating our discussion with the first venture, photo colorization. Black and white photographs possess a unique allure, yet infusing them with color can truly vivify them. This is the reason numerous seniors and their families are willing to pay for such a service on Fiverr, a renowned freelance service marketplace. Individuals are colorizing photos for a fee ranging from $5 to $10 each. While this may not seem substantial, considering that it takes a mere 15 seconds to accomplish with AI, it's a worthwhile endeavor. Here's the procedure. I will utilize CapCut, a complementary comprehensive video editing and graphic design tool. Its latest suite of tools, CapCut for Business, offers a plethora of AI tools designed for entrepreneurs and creators to generate content. I will choose the Photo Colorizer tool, and with a simple drag and drop, I can transform a monochrome photo into a vibrant colored one in an instant. It's truly remarkable. To augment your earnings, you might contemplate offering additional services like photo restoration. Black and white photos often appear faded and scratched. With the old photo restoration tool, you can mend those damages and rejuvenate the images. Another upsell you can propose is upscaling. Utilizing the Image Upscaler tool, you can enhance the resolution of an old photo, thereby improving its quality. As you can observe, CapCut is replete with AI tools. In fact, every AI side hustle I'll be discussing today will exclusively employ CapCut. It's quite impressive. You might need to market your services offline to retirement homes or funeral homes. You'll need to think outside the box. Moving on to the second venture, clothing model photos. In the realm of apparel sales, brands frequently require photographs of models donning their products. If you're envisioning a scenario where you need to wield a camera or channel your inner Zoolander, think again. With AI, you have an entire legion of models at your disposal. Using the CapCut for Business AI model tool, you can upload a photo of an article of clothing, select a model, click Generate, and within seconds, AI will seamlessly integrate your clothing onto the model. It's nothing short of magical. You can provide this service on Fiverr or directly to small clothing brands. A typical photo shoot with a model can cost anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars. Will people pay the same amount for AI models as they would for real models? Probably not. However, would they be willing to pay $20, $50, $100? Perhaps. It's likely that most clients opting for AI models are working with a limited budget, so while your earnings per job may be lower, the volume of work could make it a worthwhile endeavor. Transitioning to the third venture, video captioning. In the current digital landscape, captions are increasingly prevalent to enhance accessibility and retain the viewer's fleeting attention span. Consequently, captioning services are in high demand on Fiverr, with earnings varying from $10 to $60 per video, contingent on its duration. Captioning with AI is remarkably swift. After initiating a video project on CapCut and adding a video to the timeline, simply select Captions, then Auto Captions. Instantaneously, AI will generate captions for the entire video. You can then scrutinize the captions to rectify any inaccuracies before exporting. There are opportunities to upsell by offering diverse fonts and styles, in and out animations, and translations in multiple languages. However, ensure you are proficient in the language you're translating to avoid any misinterpretations. While you can offer your captioning services on Fiverr, I would recommend proactively reaching out to potential clients. Target small to medium-sized content creators and podcasters, businesses that host webinars and interviews, and real estate agents that post real estate videos. If you can establish long-term partnerships, you could secure a substantial income. Our fourth venture is product photography. Earlier, we discussed clothing, but other types of products also require high-quality images. Businesses are particularly interested in adding that quintessential white background to their raw product photos, and that's where your expertise comes into play. With CapCut's online photo editor, you can upload a raw product photo, and select Remove Background. By enabling auto removal, AI will automatically excise the background. It's as simple as that. On Fiverr, individuals are adding white backgrounds for $5 per photo, which is reasonable considering the minimal effort required. Another lucrative approach with product photos is to offer detailed backgrounds. Returning to CapCut, I'll select Apps and then the Change Background tool. I'll upload my raw product photo and choose from one of the many different background options. Upon selection, CapCut will analyze your product and generate a custom AI background that interacts with it. You can certainly charge more than $5 for this service. If you're serious about maximizing your earnings with product photos, you'll need to collaborate with businesses that don't even have photos to provide you in the first place. Now, with AI, you can do anything in mere seconds. There's definitely money to be made in this venture. Moving on to the fifth venture, social media graphics. With the advent of AI, offering social media graphics to businesses has become more streamlined than ever. CapCut features a tool called Texted Design, where you input a description of the desired graphic and upload an image. It then generates several custom graphics for you to choose from. You also have the option to peruse their library of business image templates and select a design as a starting point. They offer standard square templates, Instagram story templates, and you always have the flexibility to edit a graphic from scratch. The most lucrative approach to making money with social media graphics is through long-term partnerships, aiming for a consistent volume of work. Consider reaching out to businesses to gauge their interest. A valuable upsell to package with your designs is social media copy, which you can even generate with ChatGPT. The sixth strategy pertains to content repurposing. There is a significant demand among video creators for assistance in converting their long-form content into short-form versions, such as TikTok and Instagram Reels. The remuneration for such tasks can vary from a few tens to hundreds of dollars per edit. Content repurposing typically involves two main steps. The first is the addition of captions, a topic we have previously touched upon. The second step is resizing the content to match the aspect ratio of the respective platform. CapCut's online video editor allows for a seamless transition between the common aspect ratios used on social media platforms. If you are repurposing for TikTok, a preview option is available to ensure that elements like captions are not hidden. In addition to this, many creators are interested in incorporating video effects and B-roll footage, which is another service you could consider offering. A practical approach would be to initiate contact with creators who produce simple talking head, interview, or podcast videos. These videos are relatively easy to repurpose, and there is a considerable demand for assistance in this area. The seventh strategy involves thumbnail design. There is a significant opportunity to assist creators with the design of YouTube thumbnails. On platforms like Fiverr, individuals are charging up to $50 per thumbnail, though it's worth noting that many YouTubers are likely willing to pay more, recognizing the critical role a thumbnail plays. You can utilize CapCut to design thumbnails with a plethora of features at your disposal, ranging from text to photos to stickers. The Remove Background tool, which we discussed earlier, is particularly useful. However, creating an aesthetically pleasing thumbnail is just one aspect. Designing a thumbnail that attracts clicks is another challenge altogether. To excel in this area, you'll need to conduct thorough research and analysis to understand what truly constitutes a compelling thumbnail. To attract clients, I recommend reaching out to both large and small creators, as well as businesses with YouTube channels. Present them with a portfolio of your work, or better yet, provide personalized examples for them. The eighth strategy is video editing. During my university years, video editing was one of my side hustles, earning me thousands of dollars. There is a distinct demand from businesses and content creators, and with the advent of AI, there has never been a better time to delve into it. CapCut offers tools that can essentially edit videos for you. For instance, to create a video advertisement for a product, you can utilize CapCut's business tool, Product URL to Ads. By simply pasting a product link, it will analyze the website and generate several bespoke video ads for your product. It's truly astounding. In addition to its AI tools, CapCut provides a variety of business video templates for all sorts of products and services. You simply drag and drop your clips in, and voila, you're done. However, if you aspire to earn substantial income from video editing, you'll need to learn how to edit beyond these AI tools and templates. The ninth strategy is to become an influencer. It's no secret that being an influencer can be highly lucrative. Interestingly, we are now seeing the emergence of AI influencers, or at least individuals utilizing AI to become influencers. CapCut offers a business tool called Script to Video, where AI will create an entire video for you. Simply type out the subject of your video, press enter, and it will generate a script for you. This script can then be used to create a comprehensive video complete with visuals, music, captions, voiceovers, and more.
Hey there, do you want to make money online? Then you definitely need to subscribe to Sophia Profit. Let me explain why in just a few seconds. First of all, Sophia Profit is an amazing community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about making money online.
Admittedly, the current capabilities are somewhat basic, but they provide a solid foundation to get a video started. You can always delve deeper and further edit the video. And there you have it, your 9 AI hustles. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like it, subscribe if you want to see more, and take care. Peace!